Oh yeah.
Go.
Got him. Some satchel charges. This guy is the only thing that looks really realistic in this game. This guy. Metal. Which one? Yeah, that weird ass one. We need it. We can find the road. It's another 2 doors. Yeah, 2 doors. Let me go get the stuff. Oh, I put it at the other base. Whatever. I got it. I gotta make it. Oh, you got silenced. Why? Don't worry. It's quick. Wait, hold up, that's it. Let me see it. Hold on. Wait, 120. Huh? Quick maths. Then I'll do 2 of these. Good job. On the hook button. Oh. That's, I'll get it. I'm silenced. Too late, back up. Just do it. Yes, sure. I won't waste my second. We can pick this. Oh no. That's there we go. Nice. Kill him. Looks like a donor base. Yeah, I know. I was thinking, like, what the fuck? Why do I hear Helus through both of my headphones? Thingies. You here? Look at me. You see me? You don't see me? Oh, hello. What ammo does it have in it right now? Okay. Oh. Oh, thank you. I'll do the last ones. Yeah, I'll do it. Hey. Biggest mole is the illest. We can pick up if you want and just not use anything. Do you want to do that? Or which door do you think? Which door do you think it is? Alright. Oh, something's behind you. Oh yeah, this is it. Oh, I have to the knife. Oh shit, they're donors. We need to find their loot. They're donors. They are actually...
I'm heading over right now.
Yep, 2 hours.
Oh, no. Thanks for letting me know.
Dude, I can't. You guys don't have a PC.
Do it right now. Do it right now.
Well, I can't slash remove it for a while, but I could slash remove it in like a long time.
Which one?
Alright, I will actually. Dude, I
He's in
don't
here.
have anything
He's in here.
That's
He's
what
in here.
I'm
No,
saying.
he isn't. Because he opened the door and went in there.
Alright.
Now he's in there. Now he opened the door, now he's in here. There's so many doors in there.
Nope, it's 2C4. Well, good thing I brought explosive ammo.
Oh yeah.
Go.
Got him. You shot me with explosive ammo.
I thought friendly fire was on.
Explosive ammo doesn't count. 10k.
Alright.
You stay here. Check every furnace. There's people in the bases nearby. Every single base is theirs.
Where are you going? 10k what?
Sulfur.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, right back there.
Wait, how the heck did you do this? Oh, there you go.
You just have to. And when you come down, be careful the things there. Through the door. The door's right there, and then there's a thing right there. So you'll have to probably like. Oh no.
The thing
Just try
is
to get
below?
in here. Yeah. Just come in here. The things in this doorway, the blown up doorway, that's where the auto turret is.
Okay.
Yeah, I can get it distracted on me.
Hold on. What, are you gonna drain it or what's the plan? Are we
Go
gonna
that,
destroy
go
it?
that way. We'll try to drain it.
Oh, crap. How'd you get in here? You have a flamethrower?
No, I had ammo for
Oh,
it.
it's not even shooting me.
Jump,
I can't get up there.
Why? It's such an easy jump. That's a half wall.
Oh shit.
Why are you looking down? Look up.
Hold up. There you go. I just needed a bit more.
Huh?
There you go.
This is the only base that's up
It's
here.
drained, I think.
Okay, I'm coming.
I think.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I'll
it is.
test
It is drained.
Okay.
It's red. It's right on my face.
I'm taking off my scientist check.
Yeah, I shot
Wait
it.
till I get there, till we start. Do you need bandages?
Oh, good. All right. Yeah. Hurry up and get here. It's about to be ready.
Just come in.
Shit.
Did you break it?
You said it was at more health. No, I'll check it out right now. There's another turret behind this door or what?
Maybe. I don't know. I'm here.
Okay. 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 There's more doors leading upstairs.
Do you have any?
Do you have a
more?
flamethrower?
Oh, we can get this.
There's nothing here. There's
No,
nothing
look at this shit though. Look at this fucking loot.
I know, but we still need to access upstairs.
I know. Don't worry. Let me just run this shit home.